Sturdy construction. This rack set is made of durable lightweight chrome, so it's easy to store and even easier to assemble. Better your baked goods. This tray elevates your baked goods for uniform cooling and crisp undersides. Easily stackable. This set comes with 3 individual racks that are easily stackable for multiple levels of cooking. Simple maintenance. For best results, simply hand wash and dry completely, so that it may serve you well for years to come. Measurements. This grid set weighs 1.8 pounds and has dimensions of 2.25 x 14 by 10 inches. A baker's essential. End the baking process profoundly by placing your fresh out of the oven cookies, cakes, and breads on these stackable cooling racks. Made of durable, lightweight chrome, this set includes 3 stackable cooling grids, which will elevate your baked goods for uniform cooling and nice, crisp undersides. Perfect when baking a large amount of cookies or when counter space is limited. The racks can also be used individually to keep lightweight hot pots and dishes off the table or countertop to avoid heat marks or stains. The cooling grid's wires are set close enough together to support cakes and prevent cookies from slipping through. Don't end up with less than perfect baked goods due to poor cooling. A must-have for bakers everywhere. Top reviews from the United States. Stacking cookie racks. So, I have a tiny house with a tiny kitchen. I really wanted to make Christmas cookies. But then you have to wonder how you can possibly cool a pile of cookies? These worked perfectly. They fold up when not in use. Stack in a small area when you are using them. Or you could use them flat if you have the space. Washed up in the dishwasher nicely. I would totally buy these again. The pic shows the snowball-like cookies I make every year, Russian tea cakes or Mexican wedding cakes. Flour, butter, powdered sugar and a little cinnamon, melt in your mouth treats. I never hesitate to update my reviews should new info seem useful.